With just a simple Telegram bot, you can earn money through affiliate marketing by scraping product information from Amazon, AliExpress, and eBay. This is very simple. In this video, I'll show you a simple trick and the bot that you can use in making money through affiliate marketing. This is a Telegram bot and it can help you make lots of money. Watch this video to the end. Never skip any part of this video so that you don't miss the secret. Let's move straight into action. As I told you from the beginning, this Telegram bot is supposed to help you make money through affiliate marketing, and it's very simple. First, you just need to sign up, you create a bot, and it will help you manage templates and you make money. This is the simple flow. First, you need to understand the initial setup, you manage your templates, and you can also manage channels. And with the help of affiliate programs like AliExpress and the rest, you can also make money. So first of all, you need an account on either AliExpress, Amazon, or eBay. Any of these can work. Some people want to put all together, and it's good. You can get so many options and make money from it. Okay, so first of all, I want us to head straight to AliExpress and see how we can sign up on AliExpress and make some money from there. So you visit aliexpress.com. So on AliExpress, you scroll down, you see affiliate program. You click on this and then it gives you some description of the program. It is a very simple program. All you need to do is register, you get links, promote the link, and you get paid. We paid out over $1,000 per month. So lots of people are making money through affiliate program of AliExpress, and you can also make money. Lots of people are doing this, and you can also join and make money. And with the help of this Telegram bot, you can make lots of money. They have high commission. It is very simple. Just click on register. So you register with the affiliate program of AliExpress by selecting your location, provide email address and password, and you click on create account. I already have an account, so I'll not create any more account. So it is simple. Just fill this form, click on create account, and your account will be created. That is it for AliExpress. It is same for Amazon. When you visit the Amazon Associate Program, here too, you just need to sign up, you recommend, and you earn. It works like AliExpress. This one too pays very well. So before you even sign up, you can read more on the program, understand the program, know the do's and the don'ts, and you get yourself signed up and you get the link to provide. Same with eBay. eBay too has a partner program. So if you're ready to sign up for any of these, you read all these instructions. Make sure you understand whatever they've provided in your location, and you click on sign up. You fill the form and you join. I already have accounts with all of these because this is what I do to make money online. You can do this, sign up for the program, and you earn money with eBay Partner Network or Amazon Partnership or AliExpress. Once you've created all this, then you can get links to promote with this software that we're talking about, the Telegram bot. This is a new bot, and so many people who are into affiliate marketing or affiliate programs are using this to make money. So let's move straight to that software. Once we have our account created on these affiliate programs, let's understand how that bot also works and how we can make money with it. So this is the simple documentation around the Pro Affiliate. It is a very simple service and anyone can use it. You don't need any special training for this. So I'll take you through all you need to know to use this and make money. The name of the service is Pro Affiliate. You can get it from proaffiliatebot.com or check the video description for a link to this service. So first of all, you need to create a bot with BotFather on Telegram. It is very simple. So let's go through it. Create that bot and follow the rest of the instructions. So to create a simple bot on Telegram, you open Telegram and you search BotFather. If it's the first time you're opening BotFather, you see a button here that says start, but I've already used it before. So I'll click on the menu here and click on new bot. So it's asking us to choose a name for our bot. So you need to choose a name for your bot. So we will name our bot Penny Affiliate Bot. And then you click on the send, or you hit on enter button. Now we need to choose a username for our bot, and it need to end with bot. Then same way, you either hit enter or you click on send. So let's go ahead and add some description to our bot. So we click on the menu and we add set description. So we select the bot and then we add the description. This helps in affiliate promotion. Then you hit enter. We've set our description, but all we need from here is this token. So you just copy this token. Copy this token. Then you can return to Pro Affiliate. Click on Start Now. Then you click on Open in Telegram. Then we click on Start. First of all, thank you for believing in us. In order to allow me post your affiliate link on your channels, follow these steps. 1. Create a new bot at BotFather. We've done this already, so we don't need to do it. The second one is click the link bot and paste your token. We have the token from the BotFather, the bot we created. We just click on link bot. Then we can post our token here. So now our bot is linked to Pro Affiliate. Now we can go ahead and set the time zone. I am in Africa, so I just click on Africa. So it's asking for more information. Accra. All right, say your time zone has been set. Now your customers will see your offers with the correct time zone. This is the menu button, so you click on this menu button for more. Now that we have our time zone set and we've linked our bot to Pro Affiliate, what we need to do is to manage our channels. If you don't already have a channel, you can create a channel here, but I already have a channel. If you don't know how to create a channel, check the video description. There is a link to how you can create a channel and even get lots of members in your channel. But it's very simple. You just click on this menu here and you click on new channel. This is how to create a channel if you already don't have one, but I already have one, so I click on add channel. Insert the channel name followed by @ or run command. So whatever channel you want to add to this, you add that channel name. After adding or linking your channel to the bot, the next thing to do is to manage your template. You need to create a template for any of the websites, the affiliate programs that you're using. So first of all, I want us to manage our template and add a template for AliExpress. So you click on manage templates and you click on add template. So now it's saying we can edit our template. So we select on AliExpress. That is what we want to add now. So now we have a template created for us, so we can go ahead and edit that template. So you click on edit message. You need to follow this guide that has been given onto you. So you need to write your message in this order. First of all, you use these tags: the title, the price, the old price, the link, the seller, and the seller's old price. This is what you use to build your message. If you don't have all this information, you can check on AliExpress, the reseller panel that you created. You can see all those details there and you use it to create your message. After creating your message, you click on send. Okay. So now we have edited our message and we have one template to use. After creating your template, the next thing to do is to add your link. So you just click on new link and you paste the link and you click on submit. So this is how you manage all your links. So it is asking for a template, so you choose a template. So you use this panel to manage all the things needed. You manage channels, you manage templates, then you can even see payment history. You can even buy more links if you exhaust all the links, and you can use this to manage your referral tags. You can check the stats of all the sales that you've done using this single bot. So for the sake of this video, we don't want to do a lengthy video, so see you in the next video where we show you how you blast the message. You send that bulk messages with all the links that you've created with all the messages. Subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. See you in the next video where we show you more on how you can send the messages and earn more money. Thank you for watching.